Okay, today we will see one more example. It's kind of similar one the previously whatever we did.
Yep.
So like how to display images.
Okay.
So how to display images and what is the difference between normal way to display image and by using Angular. Okay, and previously we saw right like how to display images by using simple HTML, right? Now we will see how to display images by using Angular components.
Okay.
So just now I'm going to create a new project, dynamic web project, Angular _4, finish it. So this is our new project. So what I will do, I will try to copy the basic files.
Yeah.
And I will rewrite all the files. Okay, this is fine. Before doing this, just before doing this file, what I will do, I will download one of the sample image. Just let me take, I will display this image.
Okay.
There are some random image came. So let me save this image to my desktop. Okay, that image is downloading. Now go back to our files. Okay, this is our HTML file.
Right.
And this is our controller.
Right.
Okay, so for what I am displaying here, name, we are displaying name, age and email. Now I want to display the college image also. Basically this guy belongs to a college and I want to display the college picture.
Yeah.
So how to display the picture? We will copy the same line.
Yep.
So here I will add a label called college picture.
Yeah.
Okay, so here right what we are displaying image generally, we are writing img
Yeah.
src. So basically here we are giving that image name or location, correct?
Yeah.
Like whatever the name abc or abc dot jpg something whatever, correct?
Yeah.
So here also I will try to give person dot image. So here right before giving the image, here I need to pass the image, right?
Yeah.
So what I will do, I will add another tag called image. So as part of this, I will give my image name. So
Yeah.
the image name, first let me copy the image to my local. What is that image? Yes. So this is my image. So you can keep anywhere, but you have to give that location.
Yeah.
You can keep into any C drive, D drive, whatever as per your wish. We have to give that location. So, but simple purpose, make it simple. What I did, I copied the image into my system or into my workspace or into my project itself.
Yeah.
College dot jpg.
Mm.
Because this is my image. Now I am sending the image, and the image also is available in my project itself. So let me copy this image name. So here, not here, here. So here how to get person dot image, correct?
Yeah.
If you see here, you see some error.
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you what is that error, and let me deploy it first. So Angular 4 I need to deploy. Did you see any spelling mistake?
Mm,
JPG COLLEGE is correct. Percent dot image. Okay, this is fine, right? No spelling mistake. Person dot. Yes, now we got it correct.
yeah.
So we need to add component like this.
Expression.
Yes, that is the way to retrieve the angular values to floor bracket.
Okay.
See now you can notice one change. So now I removed ng-src. Now I have given src equal to value. So there is a difference between ng-src and src. What is the difference? I want to show you here from here. Now image is loading, correct?
Yeah.
No issue. Okay, let me open my console. Sorry, not downloads. Yes. If you see here, right? So when I'm restarting my URL, so how many requests are going, how many responses are coming? If you want to see all those things, so we need to use a separate tool called Fiddler. There are so many tools are available in market. So
Yeah.
our testing purpose, I am trying to use Fiddler.
Okay.
So here, let me clear the remove all. So right now, no request went, no response. Okay. Now what I am trying to do, I am trying to refresh our page one time.
Okay.
Now go back to see here how many requests went the first time we are calling application. Did you see there?
Yeah.
Angular -4. After that, we are trying to download the JS file.
Yeah.
After that, immediately what it is trying to do, it is trying to download the image. Did you see the image? And it got
Yeah.
failed.
Yeah.
Person.image, it is trying to download and it got failed first attempt. And as part of second attempt, what happened?
The pass.
It passed. Why? Because so before loading the component, it is trying to download this image, person.image. Why? Because this is a normal component. It is not an Angular component. We are not mentioning ng-src, correct?
Yeah.
So before loading the Angular component, it is trying to download the person image, correct? So that's what in first attempt it is failing. As part of second attempt, it is succeeding. So to avoid these errors, what we have to do, we have to add ng-src.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what will happen, once the entire Angular component is download completed, then only it will look for this resource.
Yeah.
Then you will not get error, correct?
Yeah.
So now what I will do, I will clear this traffic. Now I will go back and I will refresh my image. I did refresh, image loaded. Now, did you see there any error?
No.
So that is the difference between ng-src and src.
Yeah.
Now we are downloading all the components.
So Fiddler automatically will take all the debugger.
Yes, yes, yes. If you want to see, let me open some. So this is Amazon, correct?
Yeah.
I'm trying to open Amazon website. If you see here, right, how many requests is going and coming back. Everything you can able to monitor it.
Yeah.
So it's trying to download the images. You can able to see the traffic.
Right.
So these basically hackers will use this tool to hijack the request to get to know the what is the information, what is the keys are going and coming back.
Oh.
If you click any link, some request and response are coming back, right? So that we can able to monitor here. Let me clear and I will show you back again. So now what I will do, I'm going to clear everything. So now I'm trying to find out, I'm looking for one product. It went on request, right? So you can see here how many requests went and how many responses came back.
Yeah. All. Oh, so many things.
Yes, yes, back end side, so many things are happening.
Yeah.
So these we can able to monitor how many requests went, how many failed, how many success. Back end side it will call so many services, right?
Yeah.
Like Ajax call, web services. There are so many things are happening back and behind the screen. So that we can able to monitor the network monitor. So that one it's an open source. You can download it. Just you can open the tool and you can start browsing. Then you can able to monitor your traffic.
Yeah.
This is open source tool, Fiddler.
Oh.
Okay, that is the basic difference between normal SRC and ng-src.
Yeah.
So this is clear, right? This example.
Yeah.
Okay, now so far what we are displaying only one person detail, correct?
Yeah.
Now what I will do, I want to display 10 people record, 10 or more than one. How to display multiple people records in UI side.
Okay.
So in this example, we are displaying only one person detail, correct? Now what I want to do, I want to display, 10 people record. So how to display that record? So basically I want to display name, age, email, and below header, and below that I want to display multiple records.
Right.
So how to display that one? So now let me Okay, what I will do, I will create a new project. So this example is clear, right? This image.
Yeah, yeah.
So let me copy all these files. 3 files. Image I'm not copying. So image no need to display.
Yeah.
If you want, you can display. It's not a problem, but I'm not displaying it. Okay, now first go back to the controller. So far this is one person details, correct?
Yes.
And I don't want to display image, name, age, and I want to display another column called salary.
Okay.
So here I'm trying to display. So this is my salary. So this all details belongs to one person, correct?
Yeah.
Now what I want to do, I want to display 5 people details.
Okay.
So this is one person detail, correct?
Yeah.
So this is one object. So if you want to send multiple objects, persons, what you have to do, you have to create array of a people. This is array symbol, correct?
Yeah.
So this is one person, this is array, and inside array one person object is there, correct?
Right.
So what you have to do, you have to copy, comma, another person, comma, another person, comma, another person. Just format it. You got it right? This is array symbol.
How do you format actually? Is there any
Yes, control A, select all the content, and
yeah.
control shift F.
Control Shift F? Okay.
Yes, control shift, select all the content, control shift F, then it will format the automatically.
Okay.
Okay, now basically this is first person detail, correct? This is array symbol, and this is first person and second person and third person, correct?
Yeah.
So now just for our understanding purpose, I'll give John 1, John 2, John 3, John 4,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
And let me give 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This is just only for our understanding purpose to just to differentiate.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me give some different decimals. Okay, these are the now person details are ready. It's a list, and we are creating controller, and we are adding that controller to our model. This how to creating the model, how to appending the controller to your model. There is no change. Only the change is here. Now I created a list of person details.
Yeah.
So this is clear, right? This data.
Yeah.
Okay. Now how to display these multiple records on the UI side. Now go back to your HTML page. So this is your HTML, correct?
Yeah.
So now what I want to do, first I want to create the header. So header, right? As part of the header, what I want to display, I want to display name, age, email, salary. I want to create header like this: name, age, salary, correct?
Yeah.
Just after below that, I want to display records, multiple records. How many rows is there? That many.
Right.
So what I have to do first, I have to create the header, correct?
Yeah.
So let me go back. So this is my table. There is one existing table is there. So what I will do, I will create header th. So under th, what I want to do, one of the th column name. So what is the first column name? I want to give name.
Yeah.
So this is my name and age, email, salary. Name, age, email, and the last one is salary. So this is my header part.
Yeah.
Remove it. Now my header is ready. Let me deploy it and we'll see whether it is working properly or not. So name, age, email, and salary. Correct? This header is perfect.
Right.
Now I have to display the data below the header. Correct?
Right.
So what I have to do? I have to write T body.
Yeah.
T body starting and T body ending. So here I have to write my TR. So here how many TRs I have to write? That we don't know, correct? So how many records is there? That many times we have to repeat our row, correct?
Yeah.
So here under header, how many records I need to display? That I don't know. Basically based on how many number of records is there, that many times I need to repeat it, correct?
Yeah.
So for that purpose, what we have to do? So we have to take TR, one TR. So how to repeat the TR? So there is a tag called ng hyphen repeat.
Okay.
So you need to remember this one, ng hyphen repeat equal to colon. So what is our model name?
Model name is the person.
Persons, correct?
Yeah.
Now take the model name persons. Okay. So from this persons, we need to take each time one person, correct?
Yeah.
So take person in persons. Now you will get every time what it will do, it will give one person till last person.
Okay.
So it will take the list of the person and every time it will assign one person details. So what you can do, you can display the person details just below. Use TD and display it. So how to retrieve the data? So we have to use basically person dot name, correct?
Yeah.
So it will give, and what is the next column? Name, age, email, salary. Name, age, email, and salary.
Right.
Salary is yes small. Now go back and try to refresh. You will get the details.
Right.
This is proper, right? This is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, I want to display the date of birth.
Okay. So need one more
One more column, yes.
column.
Okay. Before that's okay, fine. That we will see later. So this example is clear, like how to iterate multiple records.
Yeah.
So basically, you need to understand only ng repeat person in persons.
So model in model, no?
Yes, this is a parent model. From that, we are taking a small models.
Okay.
It's a parent model which is having multiple models, and every time we are taking one small model and we are iterating and we are displaying it.
Right.
Then you will get the UI like this finally. So this is clear, right? This example.
Yeah.
Okay, now say for instance, sometime you will see the records will be displayed like this. This is a dot USA, and under that, if you want to display some bullet points,
Okay. Yeah.
again US some India, below that some bullet points.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Maybe this you can say country and provinces.
Provinces. Right.
Correct? So how to
Yeah.
display like this? This is one. So there may be n number of countries. Under that there may be n number of
Provinces.
provinces. So list inside a list. Correct?
Yeah.
So far we saw one list. Correct?
Yeah.
So how to iterate a multiple list? Two list basically. Here we are not considering I mean 10 or 15. We are considering two list. So this is one list and countries one list and provinces are another list. Correct?
Right.
So how to display this kind of scenarios or how to handle it? So this the problem statement is clear, right?
Yeah.
So basically this is a parent list, country is a parent list, and provinces is a sub list.
Yeah.
And this example is clear, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, now okay, now let me copy the basic files and we will modify it.
Yeah.
So this is my controller. Correct? Now I am going to modify. So this is also list, correct? Parent list. So what it will give? Countries. UNTRI. Yes, basically I am returning a countries.
Yeah.
So first I want to return country name. Country name we can say USA. Okay.
Yeah.
Under USA states. So states is a list, correct? So
Yeah.
under USA there may be n number of states, correct?
Yeah.
So what I had to do, I had to create a list, correct?
Yeah.
So inside the list I have to populate a state name. State name. I'm giving USA 1. This is my one state name.
Yeah.
So I want to give another two more states. Copy one state and comma paste. Three states I had given. USA 1, USA 2 and USA 3.
Right.
So this is one state, correct?
Yeah.
Sorry, one country. So like that I want to create two more countries.
Okay.
Another one, just enough. Three is enough. Basically I'm trying to iterate three country details.
Yeah.
USA and the second one I'll give India
Yeah.
and third one I'll give UK.
Yeah.
So as part of India states are IN1, IN2,
Right.
IN3
Yeah.
and UK 1, UK 2, UK 3. So these are our states.
Right.
So this is our countries. So basically this is one list and this is sub list, correct?
Probably. Yeah.
So how to iterate it? Now go back to your, so this is your UI, correct? So we have to remove the table. We are not going to display in a tabular format. We are going to display first what I had to do, I had to iterate the first what I had to do, I had to display the country name, correct? First we
Yeah.
will display the country name. After that we will see the province or state name.
Right.
So how to display or how to iterate it. So there is a tag called underline. So here also we have ng repeat
Yeah.
and country in countries, correct?
Yeah.
So this is the parent model name, countries. What is my, so basically this is countries, countries. We have to take countries and we have to take one country, country, correct? Countries is a list. From that I'm taking one country, okay?
Yeah.
And I want to display it. So how to display it? Country dot,
Country.
what name you want to display? I want to display country name first, country name. Okay, now just it will display only country names. Okay, let me refresh. Let me deploy it, whether country names are displaying or not, we will see. Country names are displaying, correct?
Right.
Under that, I want to display,
Sublist.
correct, yes. Yes. Now dots also coming, correct?
Yeah.
Now USA is displaying, India is displaying, UK is displaying. So to display the dots, we have to use LI starting
Right.
and LI ending, correct?
Okay.
Now let me break it down. So this is fine. Country name is displaying properly. This is perfect. Now what I want to do, I want to display province's name just below each country,
Yeah.
correct? So what I had to do, again I had to iterate my country name, correct? Inside country I have provinces. So what I had to do, I had to iterate the same loop again back. This is a sub loop.
Okay.
So now what I had to do, I had to take country dot, what I had to take, country dot
Countries.
states.
Reference.
From state I had to take one state, correct? One
Right.
state. So basically from one country I am taking multiple states. From multiple states I am taking one state. So I want to display that particular state, state dot, what is the state name I had given?
State dot.
State
You.
name,
State name.
correct? So just copy the name, paste it, and basically we need to end it. So where is, there is no end statement. Oh, perfect. Now let me refresh whether it's will display or not. Now it is perfect, right?
Yeah.
So basically here we are iterating two loops. This is parent loop which will display country names, and this is child loop which will display state names.
Trade names. Right.
This is clear, right?
Yeah.
So we can able to do, whatever, we are doing by using normal HTML, everything we can able to do it by using AngularJS. But it's here very easy, right?
Yeah.
So how many number of lines we have written here? Maximum, we can say some 7 or 5.
Yeah.
And we are getting the data from the controller. So far, we are hard coding the data, correct?
Yeah.
So anyway, I'll give one example. We need to take data from the database or from some other web services.
Right.
So that also I'll give one example. This is for our testing purpose. Just now I'm hard coding the data every time.
Yeah.
So this example is clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what I will do, I will give one more example. Okay, so far, right? Say for instance, if you have 1,000 records in your database,
Okay.
okay, you need to display 1,000 records into, in UI side. But user don't want to display, all the records. You want to see 5 records. After that, 5 records, 10, based on his selection.
Right.
So user, give one option to the user, maybe some increment number. Give one text field to display 5, and there is an option called increment or decrement.
Okay.
Okay, if you press button, it will increase. So how to control, or how to based on user, if you say 5, right, and we need to display 5 records. If you say 15, we need to display 15 records if records are available.
Yeah.
So based on user selection, we need to display number of records.
Right.
So how we are going to limit the number of display records by based on the user input. So this is another example. Okay, so maybe we will see this one as part of next class. Okay,
Yeah.
because it will take some time.
Yeah.
So far whatever examples we discussed, that are clear.
Yeah.
So I will send you the video, and also I will give these examples whatever we discussed, and just have a practice. These are very simple, right?
Yeah.
The coding is less, and so whatever we can able to do by using normal JavaScript, we can able to do everything by using AngularJS.
Yeah.
So we will see this example as part of next class, because it will take more time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah, fine, yeah, thanks.